Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to cut normal Igbo wrapper. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now this is a full wrapper, 6 years of wrapper. Okay, to cut it, remember Igbo wrapper comes in two big wrapper, and the normal size for it, you don't need to make any difference between the two. Just cut the same thing for the two, so that to help you when you tie it, you don't use one particular one for the front or one particular one to the inside, so that it will not get worn out easily. Just cut it the same so that you can tie any one at the inside and tie any one at the outside. So let's go straight to the point. Now for the length, I'm using 2 years and 14 inches. Okay, that is after folding it, you either end in 2 years 12 inches. Okay, because we'll be removing 1 inch from this side and 1 inch from the other end to fold it. So I'll be cutting 2 years 14 inches. Now another thing you consider while cutting it is the label side. It shouldn't be included in any wrap, any side, whether the inside or outside. Is better at the head tie. Okay, now I'll open up the wrapper like so. So this same thing goes in whether Indian George or anything you want to cut. As far as it's two wrapper, normal Igbo wrapper, it must come in two. Okay, so I'll measure 2 years, that is 36 inches. 36 inches. Another 36 will make it 2 years. Then I'll measure for 14 inches. If you want it smaller, you can either use 11 inches so that it will end in quarter. Okay, that is 9 inches. Quarter of a yard is 9 inches. Okay, so but I'm using 14 inches. I'll cut out 14 inches and I'll cut it into 2 pieces. What I will do to make it easier for me is to fold it right away. I'll put a notch at this end. Then trace it in the other end as well. So this is the end here, but I have to confirm to make sure. Okay, so this is the second one I'm cutting here. So what I have left here is the head tie. So I'll go ahead and cut it out one after the other. To confirm it, you can still remeasure. Always confirm before you cut. Then I'll go ahead and cut out the second wrap. After cutting it out, this will be the head tie. Okay, that is the remaining piece. Let me measure it to know how many yards it is. Is 1 yard and 7 inches. So I now have the 2 wrapper. I've already cut it out. The next thing is to fold it. Okay, so I prefer to use interlocking. Okay, they will just use interlocking so that they will just fold it once. But the normal way, you can actually fold it, normal folding. Okay, but you make sure you don't fold it much to be like so. You can see. But while you're folding, make sure you fold in on the wrong side, not at the right side. You turn your fabric like so. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. You can see what you do, you just fold it like so. Now go to my sewing machine. Always make use of your matching thread, okay? And if you check the background of the wrapper is red, so preferably use red. Okay, it will be better. You can see we have black, we have yellow, but if you use black or yellow, it won't be nice because the background is already red. So just go ahead and use your red thread to fold the 2 sides, this 2 sides of each wrapper. So I'll go now and fold it, after which I will show you the final look of it. So always fold at the wrong side, not at the right side. So guys, I've actually fold the edges, you can see. So this is it's very simple to make Igbo wrapper. It comes in 2, okay? This is number 1 and number 2. Why this is the head tie. But I didn't fold the head tie in case you can use it for any other thing. You can use it to sew, you can use it as top, okay? That's why I didn't bother to fold the edges. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more design, and bye until I see you in my next video.